everyone, today we would like to share about our engineering design process in designing a wheelchair using mechanism wheels and motorized lifter. Have you ever wondered the limitation of using a wheelchair? Well, a standardized manual and motorized wheelchair allows you to have the ability to move around freely, but not as much when moving from the bed to the wheelchair. Through research, we have gathered essential information on how to further improve the current state of the wheelchair by eliminating inconvenience for the patients. For example, using lesser time and effort to move from hospital bed to wheelchair. We have focused on recognitions of needs and requirement as reducing difficulty and solving the problems of transferring patients from wheelchair to the bed and vice versa. By doing so, it also helps reduce stress on patients as well. Here, we are targeting audience of mainly teenagers who have the ability to support themselves. However, this approach may benefit the elderly too. Hence, we have considered using standardized wheelchair measurement so that it can be suitable for teenagers whose weight and sizes varies. For material types, we will be using composite materials and light metals such as aluminium because it has good corrosion resistance and strength. This will help to ease nurses' difficulties when helping the patients. Next, as for the sitting material, we have decided to use layered foam with cretonne fabric cover to allow patients to be more comfortable on wheelchair. The layered foam allows better blood flows and reduced pressure sore, while cretonne fabric are waterproof material, thus allow protection against stain and odor. Power and battery life. We have chosen to use rechargeable batteries as this category of wheelchair is only designed for indoor usage. The intended purpose can also serve as an act of being eco-friendly. Moreover, this will also help to save a significant amount of money in the long run. Upon further consideration, the weight of the wheelchair may not be an issue even though it might be heavy as it may not need to be lifted since it can be maneuvered around easily.
For technical and functional analysis, the wheelchair that we currently have do not have the motor to lift the wheelchair to the same level of the bed. Also, current wheelchair only have forward and backward movement without side to side for easier movement. As for the design concept and consideration, which we have thought of its angle of seating to be able to adjust from 90 to 180 degrees according to the patient's need. Mechanism wheels also allow efficient and effective maneuver of the wheelchair in all directions. This allows patients to be able to control the wheelchair easily and enjoy a broader spectrum of movement. This wheel also possesses excellent friction, therefore safety for teenage and elderly users. We have also included a motorized lifter to enable wheelchair to be lifted up and down and to be aligned together with the hospital bed. By doing so, patients who have difficulty walking or are disabled do not require the need to walk from a distance. The presence of the removable armrest helps prevent collision and lifting the patient when transferring from the wheelchair to the bed. As for prototyping and testing, test models are made part by part using 3D printing to test the functionality and concept to check and ensure if those parts can work well individually and when they are being assembled together. After which, a real prototype is made using the real material to test the strength, durability, reliability, and ease of use. Lastly, a field test is conducted to collect survey feedback forms. Next, for design modification and improvement, we hope to increase the lifespan of the battery and speed of the wheelchair. We also thought of ideas such as implementing cup holder. For the production, consumers will pre-order a small batch, about 20 before they start the production to be delivered to the customers. Thank you.
Hi everyone,